Morning guys, welcome back to Nichols on Tour. We are at Udaipur station and we're going to Pushkar and looking forward to it very much. It's 5:30 in the morning, so we've had an early start this morning.
I think it's a 7-hour journey.
7-hour journey, it's express train. We've got allocated, I think they're reclining seats, but allocated seats, a bit like airline seats. So it should be quite a comfortable journey. So we're just waiting for the train now. It's all locked up, it's here, but locked up. So we're just going to have a wander down and see if we can get a drink or something like that. So don't forget guys, subscribe, give us a like and comment. Had plenty of comments on this season 8, so keep commenting and we'll see you on the other side. Well, we're off, dead on time, 6 o'clock. So yeah, all looking good so far. Air-conditioned carriage, seems very comfortable. So we'll give you a little progress as we go along, and see if we can get a drink. If there's a chai man coming on board at some stage, might treat ourselves to that. So we'll catch up with you shortly. Hi guys, it's 9:40 and yeah, we're due at 11:20, so a couple more hours. We just bought ourselves a chai from the chai man, so yeah, thoroughly enjoying that. It looks like it's going to be a very nice day, the sun's come out, and yeah, the journey's not too bad. The train's pretty full, but it's very comfortable, reclining seats, air conditioned, so yeah, really enjoying it. We've arrived in Pushkar, and although I didn't video it, there was a little bit of a sort of hustle and bustle to getting off the train with our bags, and at the station I was relieved to see there was an escalator as we had to go over onto the other platform quite high up, and arrived at the escalator and it stopped working. So I had to carry both our suitcases up the stairway, across and back down again.
Well, it didn't have to come past, there was an escalator.
Oh no, there was yeah, that was an exaggeration. Yeah, and there was no one to pay to do it for me, so it was all completely manual. Anyway, we're here, we've arrived at the hotel, everything is good. We had a bit of lunch and we now go for a little orientation around the town, so we'll give you a little sort of overview shortly. Just the outside of our hotel. It has got a swimming pool which is empty, but they assure us that it'll be full for tomorrow. Personally, I can't believe it, but anyway, that's what they say. I'm not sure we'll be trying the swimming pool, but we may have a fairly relaxed day tomorrow. Tried one of these things. They're sort of, it's almost like a refined flour sort of pastry thing, which they deep fry, and then once it's cooked they put it into the syrup. So it's like a slightly wet, a crispy pastry, but not that crispy. But I mean, very nice, very sweet. Yeah, it's a speciality of the area. Yeah, I took of the blue building is the Out of the Blue restaurant, and Trishti has recommended perhaps that we might like to consider that for breakfast in the morning, and I think we probably will. Pots of rather colourful looking things, so not snack pots or anything like that. They're the offerings to the gods, to the Brahma god, and we're at the Brahma temple. Concludes our wander around Pushkar. We've had a lovely day. It's absolutely fascinating. I mean, it is very touristy. I think you've got to accept that. Yeah, I mean, it is just for the tourists. But it's quite good fun, and we're going to have a nice walk around tomorrow around the lake, and we'll give you an update on that. So guys, don't forget, give us a like. Don't forget, give us a like. Thumbs up, subscribe. The subscriber number is really going. I mean, I really appreciate it, guys. So all new subscribers, well done you. Thank you very much. Keep it going. Try and get me up to 500. Go on then. Okay, we'll see you on the other side. Bye.